Weaver bird, nature's master weaver. The weaver bird, belonging to the Ploceidae family, is renowned for its intricate and elaborate nest-building skills. These small, vibrant birds, primarily found in sub-Saharan Africa and parts of Asia, are a testament to the wonders of avian architecture. Their nests are not only a means of survival but also a display of their ingenuity and persistence. Weaver birds are primarily distributed across the tropical and subtropical regions of the world. The highest diversity of species is found in sub-Saharan Africa, with a few species residing in tropical Asia. They inhabit a variety of environments, including savannas, forests, grasslands, and even urban areas. Their adaptability to different habitats underscores their resilience and evolutionary success. The most striking feature of weaver birds is their nest-building behavior. These nests are intricately woven structures made from grasses, leaves, and twigs. The construction process is a meticulous task that showcases the bird's skill and precision. Male weaver birds are typically the architects, weaving the nest to attract females. The complexity and sturdiness of the nest often determine the male's attractiveness to potential mates. The process begins with the male selecting a suitable location, often hanging from tree branches or reeds. Using his beak as a primary tool, he intricately weaves strips of vegetation into a spherical or bottle-shaped structure. The time it takes for a weaver bird to build its nest can vary depending on several factors, such as the species of the weaver bird, the complexity of the nest, and the availability of materials. On average, a male weaver bird can take anywhere from a few days to a few weeks to build a nest. For example, a village weaver bird typically takes about 7 to 10 days to construct a nest. A southern-masked weaver usually completes a nest in 5 to 10 days. A Baya weaver can take around 8 to 10 days, though some nests may take up to 18 days depending on the complexity and environmental conditions. The male weaver bird builds the nest to attract a female. If the female approves of the nest, she will then line it with softer materials before laying her eggs. If the nest is not up to her standards, the male bird may dismantle it and start over, or build a new one nearby. Some species, like the sociable weaver, build large communal nests that house hundreds of birds, resembling a miniature avian city. These nests are not only marvels of construction, but also serve as protection against predators and harsh weather. Weaver birds exhibit a wide range of social behaviors. Some species are highly social, living in large colonies where cooperative breeding and communal nesting are common. This social structure provides several advantages, such as increased protection from predators and improved foraging efficiency. Other species are more solitary, with pairs or small family groups maintaining and defending individual territories. Communication among weaver birds is also fascinating. They use a variety of calls and songs to convey messages related to territory, mating, and social interactions. The male song, often heard during the breeding season, is a crucial component of courtship, attracting females and deterring rival males. Weaver birds play a significant role in their ecosystems. Their nest-building activities can influence the local environment by affecting vegetation structure and providing habitats for other organisms. For instance, abandoned weaver nests are often used by other bird species and small animals, contributing to biodiversity. Furthermore, weaver birds are important indicators of environmental health. Changes in their populations can reflect alterations in habitat quality, climate conditions, and the availability of resources. Studying these birds provides valuable insights into the ecological dynamics of their habitats. Despite their adaptability, Weaver birds face several conservation challenges. Habitat loss due to deforestation, agricultural expansion, and urbanization is a major threat. Additionally, climate change poses risks by altering the availability of nesting materials and food resources. Conservation efforts must focus on preserving their natural habitats, promoting sustainable land use practices, and mitigating the impacts of climate change. The weaver bird is a remarkable example of nature's ingenuity and adaptability. Its nest-building skills, social behaviors, and ecological significance make it the subject of fascination and admiration. As we continue to study and understand these avian architects, we gain deeper insights into the complexities of the natural world and the delicate balance that sustains it. Preserving the habitats and ensuring the survival of weaver birds is not only crucial for maintaining biodiversity, but also for appreciating the intricate tapestry of life on Earth.